Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get free wallpapers on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to get a new wallpaper on your device, what you need to do is first open the wallpaper settings, so we can press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen, and then at first we have some themes that we can use, or we can go to wallpapers. So at the bottom, tap wallpapers, and now over here what we need to do is go to the bottom, and over here we have several options. We have made with AI, we have dynamic wallpapers, which are pretty cool, and we have curated images. So if you go to curated images, then we can tap change wallpaper, and finally over here we have some examples, some categories actually. So in this case I'm gonna go with art, and now over here you can find a bunch of different wallpapers, and each category has lots of wallpapers that we can use completely for free. So you can choose your favorite one and then set it in the bottom right corner over here. Tap on the tick, and then you can select if you want it in the home screen, lock screen, or both. Now in my case I'm gonna set it to home screen. Now of course this is just one example, because in the same settings, so if I go back to wallpapers, we can also go with dynamic wallpapers, which are a little bit cooler, I think. So if you want to have a live wallpaper, then you can also do that. You can select the one that you like the most, you can tap on it in order to download it, and it is also for free. And then once you download it, then at the top over here you can select the downloaded wallpaper, you can press set wallpaper, and then you can set it to the home screen or both home screen and lock screen. So I'm gonna set it to home screen. And then if I go back, as you can see, we have a live wallpaper completely for free. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.